everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamminw with Yarn. I'm a little bit lower today. Anyway, I just got off work, washed my face. After I do this, I'm going to grab something to eat and hit the sack. So, today is day 3. Oh man, I didn't do the Christy Cook one because I didn't have time to look at her video. I was working today all day long. So let's just open this for here for now. And I'll get that one done tomorrow. So we are on day 3, which is seriously spooky. And this one is a little bit okay. Oh, I think I'm gonna like these better because they have more stuff on them. So this is number 3, a lot shorter. I don't think these are kids. 12 days. That's what they look like. I think that, I'm not going to try to figure out who that is. I think it's Jack. Yeah. And very stretchy like the other ones. Ooh. Merry Christmas, you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.